Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your YouTube app. Next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to swipe this way. Then go ahead and click on turn on incognito. Once you turn on incognito mode, it takes you right here. Then you can start to search on incognito mode right here. So whatever you search here, you are getting the right result. Only that your browse history will not be traced and will not be stored in your browser. It's that simple. So let's take a look at something. So click on search right here and type in the topic, watch YouTube video. Click on search. Then you have result right here, and everything is under incognito mode. You can see it right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about YouTube topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.